What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and my channel is all about finding you ways to get free through passive income rather than working 40 hours a week for somebody else that you don't really like. And that's what my channel is about, finding you ways to make that happen so that you can get free and live the life that you want to live. If that sounds good to you, then click subscribe and follow my channel for more ways to do that. Let's get right into this one today. So what are we talking about today? Samcart is a simple, beginner-friendly way to sell any product or service that you have created online within 24 hours, even if you have never had any experience doing anything like that in the past. The creator's first product that he sold online was an ebook about how to have the perfect baseball swing every time. I myself wrote an ebook on how to find your perfect partner in 3 easy steps. If you have ever wanted to sell something online but thought that you couldn't because you just didn't have the technical skills, the knowledge, or the money to get your idea turned into a reality, that is the problem that Samcart has solved for you. Like, have you ever had $1 million idea where you just thought, oh my God, I could sell this and make so much money, and then when you actually looked into trying to do it, you were like, there's no freaking way, like, I don't have enough money for a patent, I don't know how to make a website, like, it's impossible? Well, that's literally where Samcart comes in. For example, let's say you're amazing at hula hooping. You could write a 10-step ebook on how to become the perfect hula hooper. Or let's say you have the most well-behaved dog in the whole world. You could write a 5-step system on how to train the perfect dog. You can literally turn anything that you are good at, any weird passion that you have or expertise that you have, into a profitable product with Samcart. So who was it created by? Scott and Brian Moran are brothers that created this business together. They are down to earth and real. They are not full of fluff. They don't try to act scammy or hypey or do weird vacation shirtless photos with Lamborghinis and things like that. They're just real down-to-earth gurus who are doing exactly what they are showing you how to do. So what's different about Samcart compared to any other training course or software like this? It is the most easy and beginner-friendly platform that I have seen. If you have no experience with computers at all, you can still get a product, get an idea onto Samcart and get it sold. They have optimized everything to get you more sales, so the templates and the checkout pages and everything like that is all optimized to get you more sales, so you don't have to worry about any of that, even if you've never sold anything in your entire life. They also give you ideas for profitable products to create, so you don't even really have to have an idea or a product yet. They will help you with that part too. And it's all step-by-step, point and click, drag and drop. I created my ebook in about a day. So what's included with Samcart? They give you training videos on how to pick the right product if you don't already have one, and then how to turn it into a digital product. They give you 18 different professionally designed checkout pages, so all you have to do is go pick out one of their checkout pages and just fill everything in. They've all done it all for you. And they have one-click upsells and bump offers, which differs from any other platform out there. An upsell is basically like when you go to McDonald's and you ask for a burger and they ask you if you want fries too. It's just like you're selling your product, and then once the person buys that, then you can offer them another product to upsell. They also give you built-in done-for-you testimonial templates, discount offers, guarantees, all that technical stuff that you don't really want to deal with. You also have payment plan options you can give your customers, so they can do a one-time payment. If you have a high-ticket item, they can do a payment plan option, or you can even do monthly subscription type payments. Also, Samcart does all the customer service for you, which is huge. So if a customer payment fails, they send them an email, or if a customer wants a refund, they take care of all that for you. And they also have 3 different options for you yourself to purchase in Samcart. So you can do their basic or their next level up or their next level up, depending on how many products you want to create and sell. And if you want to have access to their affiliate management center, which is amazing, like having access to a group of affiliates, which are basically marketers that are going to sell your product for you, is like not having to pay for advertising or marketing separately. They already have this whole center for you where affiliates will sell your product for you. And you only get that with their highest level, and we will go into that, but it is huge to have that. So how does it work? How is it structured? You watch the videos and trainings, You create your product, you pick your payment structure that you want, so one-time payment, payment plans, or monthly payments for your customers. You pick out a sales page template, which are all high converting, and then you just post it on your Facebook or your Instagram or your blog, and then anytime somebody clicks on it and buys your product, you keep 100% of that profit. So who is this good for? Complete beginners who want to sell something online, you can literally get this up and running in 30 minutes. And just literally anybody who wants to sell something online, courses, ebooks, coaching, supplements, handmade jewelry, literally anything. The best type of person that this is for is somebody who can sell a digital product or turn your product into something digital. So let's say that you're really, really good at woodworking. You could literally make an entire course on how to build a shed and sell it for $50 on Samcart. Or let's say you're super good at golf and you have a ton of tips and tricks for how to get the perfect drive. You can turn that into a course and sell it on Samcart. So who would it not be good for? The only type of person that it's really not good for is if you're trying to sell a service-based business. So if you're a roofer or a lawnmower, it's not really good for things like that. You really need to have something that you can teach people or turn into a product or an actual physical product. So pros, it is extremely user-friendly. Like I have said, you do not have to have any experience. I literally had never done this and I got my ebook up and running in a day. The affiliate management system that you have access to if you purchase their highest level on Samcart is basically like having an entire marketing team in your corner. Like, it's just insane. And it is extremely affordable. It's definitely the most affordable platform like this that I have seen with how much content they give you. And you get to keep 100% of your profits that you make. You don't have to give any of that to Samcart. So what are the cons? Like I said, it's not great for selling services. However, if you're creative and you can find a way to turn your service into a product or a line of products, then you can make that work. And the only other thing that I don't like is that I don't really like having to pay monthly for things. You do have to pay monthly for Samcart, but it's extremely affordable, and I do understand why they make it monthly because you are continuously using their software. It's not like you use their software once and then you're done. You're using their software every single day. Anytime somebody makes a sale, you're using their software, your website, so I get why it's monthly. So testimonials, positive reviews, I always like to go over these. I really had a hard time finding any bad reviews or bad testimonials about Samcart. Everybody is really happy with it. Nobody feels like it's scammy or not worth the price. I personally bought it myself and I give it a great review. I'll read you one review that's basically like the same as every other person's review that I have found. Ashley Jones says, Samcart makes it easier to be an entrepreneur. It's technology that levels that playing field so that anyone can access tools they need to get started without a lot of upfront investment or experience. And that is the main thing about Samcart. So what does it cost? Their basic entry-level monthly price is called Launch, and it used to be $49 a month, and now it is $39 a month. With all of the levels, you can sell as many products as you want, but with this one, you do have a 1% added transaction fee that you have to pay. With the next one up that's called Grow, it used to be $99 a month and now it's $79 a month. With this one, all the Samcart branding is removed from your checkout pages, so your checkout pages just look like yours. They don't say Samcart on them anymore. And you don't have to pay anything on transaction fees, so it's a 0% transaction fee with this one. And then their next one up, which is called Scale, it used to be $199 a month and now it is $159 per month. And with this one, the main thing is that you get access to their affiliate management center, which allows you to sign up affiliate marketers to sell your products for you and refer them to your store. So it's basically like having a huge marketing team, like thousands and thousands and thousands of people selling your product for you. So guarantees and refunds. There is a 14-day free trial and there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. So I want to give you my final thoughts, just list them off here real quick. It's very user-friendly. Point and click, drag and drop, literally anybody can do it. You can set up your sales page and have your product online in 30 minutes. And all the sales and checkout pages are high converting, so the templates that they have created, the colors, the font, everything that they've done has been tested and proven to get you more sales, so all of the hard work has been done for you. And although it is a monthly payment, which isn't my favorite, the monthly price is very affordable. So my final verdict is that I highly recommend Samcart. I purchased Samcart a little over 2 years ago and created my own ebook. It took me some time to complete all the content for my ebook, but it only took me about a day to get the checkout page up and running. I charged $9.99 because it wasn't a very long book, and I posted it on Facebook and sold my first copy of my ebook on the second day. You can literally create a product from anything. You can create a course on how to achieve the perfect golf swing, or how to become a better public speaker, or how to do the splits in 30 days. That thing that you've always been good at or had weird knowledge and passion for, but never knew what to do with it, you can share it with the world now. You can sell it online and make money from your passion. And that, to me, is the ultimate American dream. I wholeheartedly believe that Samcart is an amazing platform that has literally made it possible for anyone to share their passions and talent with the world without technical knowledge, without thousands of dollars, without graphic designers and licensing agents, and all of that stuff that makes regular people like me think that selling something online is impossible. I feel like Samcart made it possible, and that sounds cheesy, but it's true. So I highly recommend Samcart, and I hope that you enjoyed this review with Get Free with Annie, and I hope that you choose today to go out and get free.